Did you know that in the 1990s, Mercedes made a diesel engine so quiet that people thought it was electric? See, back then, diesel engines were loud and smoky, but Mercedes engineers wanted to change that. They spent years perfecting a new engine that ran so silently you couldn't tell it was a diesel. They used advanced fuel injection technology and even added hydraulic engine mounts to absorb vibrations. The result was the Mercedes E300 diesel, which could go from 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds while being almost silent. It was so quiet, in fact, that when Mercedes launched the E300 diesel in the US, people thought it was an electric car. This wasn't just a one-off prototype. The E300 was a production car that you could buy, and it proved that diesel engines could be refined and quiet, paving the way for cleaner and more efficient diesels in the future.